Hey, my name is David. I'm from Mobile, Alabama. I'm here to talk to you on behalf of Better Day Consulting and the Business Credit Building Seminar. If you're thinking about getting your stuff together today, getting your credit right, getting your business correct and on the right journey to be legitimate, you need to come to this Business Credit Building Seminar from Mary Taylor and Better Day Consulting. I cannot tell you how good this thing is and how much it will streamline your life. If you're thinking about getting things right and you don't know where to start with Mary Taylor. She can be reached. She will talk to you. This is not a thing where you're going to be talking to someone that's a computer. You're going to be talking to somebody in your face. She's going to be guiding you every step of the way. So I just want to let y'all know Mary Taylor, Better Day Consulting, and this credit building seminar is the place where you need to start.
The next credit building seminar with Mary Taylor will be Saturday, March the 28th at 1 p.m. at 4420 Government Boulevard, Mobile, Alabama. Get your tickets now at seminar.betterdayconsulting.com.